So this property had a mobile home on it. Got destroyed, I think, in a hurricane. So there's quite a bit of debris left out here. So I just got the survey done. Probably going to get somebody out here in the next week or so to do some clearing on this property, get it cleaned up. Then we're going to just roll a mobile home in here, build probably a fence around it, put a swim pool, nice driveway, put it on the market. So you can see there's quite a bit of, I think this is where the mobile home sat before previously, and I think this was maybe the porch or something. But anyway, quite a bit of cleanup out here needing to be done, just random trash, but it's got some nice palm trees on it, so that's nice. Give you some built-in landscaping. See, I don't even know what all this is, but you know, it's no big deal. Somebody come out here with a skid steer with a grapple bucket, clean all that up, put it in the dumpster, good to go. So it's a nice lot, dry lot. Allows mobile homes as far as the zoning and everything. A little HOA here, but no big deal. It's got access to a couple boat ramps, so it's a nice little piece of paradise for somebody. So we're gonna get it cleaned up and keep you posted on this mobile home development here. So got to do some shopping for a nice mobile home. We found a lot for it, got a deal on this, won the bidding war, got it done. So keep you posted, look for some more updates to come on this one here, and stay tuned.